So today we will see what is an MSP. MSP is nothing but managed service provider. It's a company that remotely manages a customer IT infrastructure and end user system on an ongoing basis. It could be usually for a fixed month or on the basis of subscription fee. MSPs in simple term we can see, or uh, in a very layman language we can say MSP is like an external IT team that takes care of your system so you can focus on your business. So how exactly these MSPs work? MSP will provide you a wide range of IT services such as infrastructure management, where you could have your own server. It could be Windows, Linux, or cloud infrastructure, for example virtual machines which are running in Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud, anywhere. Then you will be having your storage systems. So all these servers will be managed by MSP. So you will not have to be worry about how those servers are running and when patches has to be applied on it. So everything that will be managed by MSP. So that's called infrastructure management. Second part is network management, where you are having router, switches, firewalls, VPN setup, and their monitoring. Then we could have network security. So these are network related stuff which will be managed by MSP. Third one will be monitoring and support. So when you are having these infrastructure, then network devices, so the end goal of having all these infrastructure in one place is to monitor them. So the third very important point, that is monitoring and support. So MSP will provide you this 24/7 system monitoring, then alerting and incident response, and along with that help desk or user support. So whenever it is required, they will be providing these services. Fourth point is backup and disaster recovery. So backup solution, for example Veeam backup, Veritas, it could be anything. Then restoring, testing, and recovery planning. So as a business, when you have outsourced your infrastructure to an MSP, it's their lookout to maintain that system based on the SLA that you would have been agreed with the MSP providers. So they will maintain your infrastructure. Whenever backup needs to be taken, they will ensure that backup is being taken in that way. Then whenever something goes wrong, then DR process will continue. So that is called backup and disaster recovery. So it's the fourth essential services that is being provided by MSP. Fifth is security services. So very crucial nowadays when security is paramount. So MSP also provide this security services. So as part of it, you can say antivirus, EDR management, patch management, vulnerability scanning, and compliance report. So everything from security perspective, MSP will ensure that it is being taken care of properly, and if there is anything that needs to be fixed or needs to be reported to customer, they will send those reports related to security. Then additionally, cloud services, where let's say a customer is having, because nowadays the whole infrastructure is not just physical. Most of them, most of the people across industry, they are using a hybrid model where some of the infrastructure is running in physical infrastructure, and then most of it has been shifted to cloud. So cloud services are another essential services which is being provided by MSP. So Azure or AWS resource management, VM provisioning and their life cycle, maintaining those life cycle, then cost optimization. So these are six very important services that MSP offer to their client. And how MSP work? They use tools like RMM. RMM is called remote monitoring and management. So the platform which is very popular here, it could be Enable is a very popular tool. ConnectWise. Then we have another tool called Manage Engine. This is being provided by Zoho Corporation, if I'm not wrong. So these are a RMM tool. So the services which I mentioned initially, those six services, they are being taken care by these RMM tools. Then they monitor your system proactively, often fixing issues before you notice them. So that's exactly the task these tools work and do. Services are usually delivered under an SLA, service level agreement. So the main benefit of uh, outsourcing your task to an MSP is reduced IT cost. No need for large internal team. So for example, you are having uh, a bunch of people managing your infrastructure within your team, within your company. So those kind of tasks you can give it to MSP, and you can focus on your actual business. So it will reduce your IT cost completely. 24 by 7 monitoring and support, access to skilled expert in this domain, then improved security and compliance, and scalability as business grows. So as with time your business will grow, so MSP will scale their offering to maintain the need that customer have. So as per customer requirement, they will scale their services, or you can say the whole bunch of services that they are offering you, they will scale it accordingly, that it will meet customer demands. So this is how it works, and a very basic idea about what exactly is MSP. Hope you like it. We will meet again with some more interesting topic related to industrial automation. Till then, have a great day. Bye.